Hey, how's it going everybody? So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing something that's going to be for my living room. So let me go ahead and show you what exactly I'm going to be unboxing. So here we have a surround sound bar, I guess, combo. This is the LG surround sound SN4A. So if I remember in the description, I believe of course, it's Bluetooth compatible. You're able to actually connect an optical cable, and I think this one has an HDMI as well port on it. So nonetheless, let's go right ahead and unbox this. All right, so let's see, what do we get here first? So in one of the packets, of course, we do have batteries right here. We have the optical cable here. I don't think this is going to be very long. It's probably going to be maybe, what is it, maybe 6 feet. I'll go right ahead and measure it later on. We do have the wall bracket install guide. So if you're going to be mounting this on the actual wall, so you do have a little guide here, of course. So we have, of course, the manual wireless sound bar. So that's what you get. And we are provided with 2 screws right here. So that's on the first packet. Let's go ahead and check out the second packet. Second packet has power brick as well as cord. So that's what you get. You have, of course, a remote right here, and you have 2 brackets here. So I'm thinking this is going to be for the wall mount. So that is included on this. All right, so those were the first things that we saw. So let's go ahead and get the actual bar and everything out of here. All right, so we have the sound bar, of course, finally out of the wrapping. So and I should say as well as a subwoofer. So let's go ahead and see the soundbar first. So here's technically a shot of the front. All right, so here we have a shot of the back. Of course, we do have power. You see, I don't know if you can see it, but we do have the optical in. Now, at first I was wondering, I knew that this had HDMI, but I was just like, where in the world is it? So it's actually right here. Oops, it's actually right here. I don't know if you can see it. So we do have, from the look of it, we have a USB and we have 2 HDMI ports connected, or ports available here. Now, if I flip it this way, we do see that we have an HDMI in, HDMI out, TV ARC, and then of course the USB 5 volt. And I guess I would presume these little mounts, so you'll just go right ahead and screw these right here. So with the available screws that were provided, so you just go right ahead and technically screw this right here. We have the other one right here, and you'll use that guide to go right ahead and mount it to the wall. So, all right, let's take a look at the subwoofer itself. Let's go ahead and take, so this subwoofer is a wireless subwoofer, so most likely this will Bluetooth into the soundbar. And in the back, technically, we really don't have too much. We just have a pair button right here, and then we just have power. So the location where I'm gonna be putting this is gonna be, I'm thinking right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave that there. Subwoofer, I don't know if I'll probably leave it right there in that corner, and the other one, I'll probably leave it there. I'm not going to mount it, but you never know, I might change my mind. So let's go ahead and get this installed. So I completely forgot to show you this. So this does have a power, volume up, volume down, and I think this is a function button. So let's go ahead and see what we got once we turn this on. So right now I'm just going through the setup on my TV. This might be a little bit different than, of course, your TV, but let's go ahead and I already have that selected. So you do have the option to set it to front or rear. So of course with this one, I'm gonna have it right in front. And let's hit next. Whoa. So I finally got it going. I had to make some alterations with the actual speaker itself. Right now I am running it via Bluetooth. So, I mean, I really don't know if I want to do it via the optical cable. I'm fairly certain it's going to be probably better, and it'll probably sound a lot louder than using just Bluetooth. But as of right now, I mean, I just have it set up. So right now, I'm actually using the speaker. So it would be this speaker. And then I'm also using the speakers on the TV. So I can actually control both volumes just by, you know, the regular remote. So yeah, so that's one of my videos. So
now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go.
That's actually the sound bar that you can hear. So let me go right ahead and move to the actual TV speakers.
So the second step that we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and just right click on it.
Yeah, so right now I actually have the sound bar to be a little bit louder than the actual TV speakers. So yeah, there we go. Not bad. I'll go right ahead and test it out and see how it handles. Alrighty, everybody. Well, that is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and we will catch you on the next one.